So in today's video, I'm gonna do a little flip through of this social skill activity book for age 6, 7, and then give you my honest review. So welcome back to my channel, Homeschooling Paradise, and welcome if you're new. My name is Magali, and I have a 4 and a 6 years old. So like I said, I'm gonna show you this, and I want to let you know first that this is from Timberdoodle. They send it to me so I can use it. I'm part of their blog team. I love all their product. Every time that they send me something, I love it. The kids are always super excited. Sorry for the glare. So I'm gonna also put the link below of this book if you want to get it for your kid. And then also this is part of the first grade kit, so if you would get the full kit, this is part of it. So honestly, I really like it. So I mean, I would say my son is super social. We live in a place where in Hawaii there's a lot of tourists. My kids are always surrounded with other people, younger to older, at my work, my husband's work, and then homeschool co-op. But he was super shy before, so he has grown, but he's still shy in a sense of I think a language barrier stops him because he speaks 3 languages, and then this is like making sure, helping him to how to react. And then I also include every time that we read something, and then okay, let me finish that. So every time that we talk about if it's a friend, I also say if it's your sister, because he can be nice to a friend, but then he's mean to his sister. So I try to include always siblings to make it more better, and what he needs to work on. And the only thing that downside for this is that sometimes it says story about the school, going to school and things like that. Well, we homeschool, so this doesn't apply to us. So I try to change what I'm reading to him, because my son doesn't read yet, but I say in the homeschool co-op. But it's still good. So it has 75 fun activities: coloring, cut, glue, tracing, matching, art project, and then social skills handbook, making friends, being at school, going places. So if we look inside, it's really great. So it has making friends here, being a good friend, playing in my house. So we did everything here last school year when he was in kindergarten, and then this one is first grade, so going to a friend's house, classroom, and then lunchtime, playground, after school, out and about, people's houses, out with pet, restaurant, store. So it's really nice. It has some activity that they're just gonna be you read some things, you're gonna ask them questions, they can circle. This one here, you can just ask question, and then they can write things, they can color here. So same here. So how to be a good friend, and I say sister. So read the poem, then write rhymes, words from the books to finish the poem. Nava is making a card to send. It is for her best, and then you pick the word here. A friend, she would also make another card. She knows that making friend can be hard. She will make it for the new kid at school. He might be her new friends, which would be cool. So it's good. This one we made a paper bag with the little, it had a little this little figurine that we could put on the bag, and then they played little puppets, so that was nice. And then some coloring. Let's see, so it's really nice. We do this at our house, and then just to talk on what you should be doing in your house. And then sharing things with your friends. When you have a friend over to your house, there are toys and other things you want to share. There are also toys and other things you do not want to share. So things that you will share with your friends, like toys, and then what you won't share. I think it was a car. Maybe my son made his car, didn't want to share it. And then different food, what you ask if they want a snack. So let's see, these they glued the little paper. So it's nice to have little fun activities, hands-on for kids to be using. And then let's see. So we're at this one, so we're gonna have to cut and then glue here, eating with people. So overall, I definitely recommend this. It's really great. Okay, Too Close, Healthy Habits, and then Show and Tell. So little things that like, it's just putting the words on it. Even if your kid is super social, I think this is really great. And my son listens, and my daughter that is 4 listens to it as well. Can I eat with you? Too shy to ask. A little something that sometimes like my son can be social when he knows the people, but when he's new at like the co-op with new people, he can be shy. So trying to like have him introduce other people. Playground rules, that applies to everyone. And then playing with kindness, so definitely gonna say with sister. So cutting this, and then safe, not safe. Just some good things to think about. I can ask to play. So really great. We do usually like 2 pages a day, just so it can last a long time. So play by myself, school bus. I mean, this one, you can relate it to when you're traveling or anything like that, or if you go other places. And then talk with your family, going places. Saying hello can be hard, talking with people. Okay, wave hello art project. Talk with your family, is it okay? Seeing people, looking at people the way we look at people. I know that I saw something on Facebook about like, oh, you know, if you have someone that is different, you know, don't stare or don't be mean or things like that, don't bully. So talking about that, people can be different. So it brings you, sometimes you don't think about like saying those things to your kids, but it's so important. People with disabilities, talking with people, about people, use your voice, listening to people, how close, things I like when I go out, going to people's house, seeing people's pet out with a dog, restaurant rules, family night out. So really great. I mean, it includes everything that you need. So overall, definitely recommended. There's a little bit more. Yeah, touching people's basket, my social skills handbook, and then that's pretty much it. Everything that we talked about. So yeah, definitely worth getting it for your kids that are 6, 7 years old. So thank you again to Timberdoodle for sending me this, and then make sure to check out the link below if you are interested on getting this. And thank you for being here. Make sure that if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, click that notification bell so you get all my videos, and like this video. Let me know in the comment if you're already doing something for social skills, or if you're not sure. I would love to hear your comments. And then until then, I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you for being here.